tips for buyers looking to purchase in today's real estate market who are searching for a new home and need tips on getting their offer accepted. Number 1, getting pre-approved for a mortgage. Having a pre-approval letter from your lender shows the seller that you are a serious buyer who is ready and able to make an offer. Move quickly. Number 2, in a competitive market, properties can sell fast. Making sure you're ready to move quickly when you find a home you like. Number 3, make a strong offer. Your offer should be competitive, but also within your budget. Considering offer above asking price if it is in a multiple offer situation. However, be careful not to get caught up in a bidding war and you may overpay for the property. Be flexible with the closing date. If the seller needs to close quickly or needs more time to move out, be willing to work with their timeline. Number 5, write a personal letter. Consider writing a letter to the seller explaining why you love the home and why you would be a good fit as the new owner. This can help create an emotional connection with the seller and make your offer stand out. Number 6, work with an experienced realtor like myself who can help you navigate the market and make a strong offer that is likely to be accepted. Realtors often have inside knowledge about properties that are about to come on the market or other opportunities that you may not be aware of. Number 7, remember buying a home can be complex and an emotional process, especially in a competitive market. By following these tips and working with an experienced realtor like myself, you can increase your chances of getting your offer accepted and finding your dream home. My name is Vicki Harvey and I represent Vicki Sells Grand Strand. Please reach out to me at 843-222-7800. I'm eager to provide my assistance and expertise to meet your needs.